Raw smelling salts. Raw is very strong. We advise you to hold the bottle 6 inches away from your nose when in use. Just add water and sniff. How to use. Add a bit of water to the bottle and reseal it to allow the chemical reaction to begin. Simply open and smell as needed during your hardcore workout and let the powerful ammonia smell build up in between uses. Fast acting. Instant sensation to achieve peak performance. Ammonia inhalants support explosive energy, maximum strength, and razor-sharp focus. Prevents and treats fainting. 30-day refund guarantee. If you aren't 100% satisfied, send it back for a full refund. USA. Made in a USA GMP certified facility with global ingredients under strict regulatory standards. Smelling salts for weightlifting and smelling salts for powerlifting. Top reviews from the United States. You won't believe your reaction. Absolutely insane. I tried these for the first time playing hockey. Took a big whiff and felt like I jumped into a swimming pool and got a bunch of chlorine in my nose. It will wake you up and get you ready to go though, that's for sure. I am a streamer for video games and I use these during my stream once I feel like I am getting a little drowsy, and it makes me stay up, play better, and gives me some content to talk about. I also use them for bar league hockey and softball because they are amazing. Trust me. Just give them a shot and you'll be hooked.